How to add or change ringtone on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add or change ringtone on your Android phone. So let's get it started. On this process, at first you'll have to open device settings, so simply tap on settings. And now from the setting you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like sound and vibration, so simply tap on it. So now from the sound and vibration you'll have to go with the option ringtone, so simply tap on it. And now from the ringtone section you have to choose the specific SIM card available on your device for the ringtone, so from here I'm choosing the SIM 2. And now from here you can easily select the specific ringtone whom you want to add on your Android phone. So you can as usual also add the ringtone from your device, so for that you'll have to tap on that plus icon just at the top right corner. And now from here you can easily add the music or sound whom you want to add as a ringtone on your Android phone. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.